Hello students, good morning to all of you. In this video, I will explain about angles. What is angle? An angle is made by two rays that start from same point. See, what is ray? A ray means it has its one end point and the other end is, it will goes on and on, right? It has one end point and then no fixed length. Okay. So an angle is made by two rays. This one we call it as ray, OA, right? Because one end point and the other end goes on and on. So I have marked it as arrow mark. So this is one ray and this is one ray. OA and OB are the rays now. An angle is made by two rays that start from the same point. That means these two rays, it has started from the same point, right? That point is O. At the O point, both the rays have started. So between the rays, whatever this is, we called it as the angle. Okay. So this between the two rays, whatever how much angle will be there, that one we called it as the angle. Okay. So an angle is made by two rays that start from the same point. Okay, next thing is, this point is called the vertex of the angle. This point, right, that same point, that point we called it as the vertex of the angle. Okay, and the rays that form the angle, these are the two rays, right, that form the angle. So the rays that form the angle are called arms of the angle. Okay, so this is arm of the angle. This one is also, we called it as the arm of the angle. That means OA and OB, we called it as the arm of the angle. Okay, so in this figure you can see the rays OA and OB form an angle at O, right? At the O point it forms an angle. Okay, and what is the symbol of angle? Symbol of angle is this triangle, like half triangle symbol you have to put, right? This is a triangle, right? So half triangle you have to put, that is denoting the angle. Okay, so symbol of angle is this one. Then inside that, what you have to write? At the O point you have angle, right? So at the O point only we are having the angle. So the vertex should be at the center while you are writing. Other two names, right, A and B, that rays. So you can write before also or after also. Like this one you can interchange AB or BA, but the center angle where it is present, that letter should be in the center. Okay, that vertex letter should be in the center. So angle AOB, you can call this as angle AOB or angle BOA. That means angle is present at the O point. Okay, so this is all about angle. Students, next one is measurement of an angle. Okay, so how we will measure the angle? So its unit is degree. Like for length and breadth, we will put like centimeter, meter, right? The unit of the length is meter, centimeter, like that we'll put, right? Similarly, for angle also, the unit is degree. We will denote the values, right? If for example 0, 90, 30, this is the measurement size of the angle, means you have to tell 90 degree. Okay, 180 degree. So degree is the unit of an angle. Okay, size of, for measuring the angle. Okay, then how to put the degree? That symbol, the symbol of the degree is the small circle you have to put at the right corner. Okay, right corner of the number. So small circle. Okay, so like this is the degree, symbol of degree. Okay, next one is, imagine two rays. Okay, OA and OB. OA is one ray and OB is one ray. Imagine two rays having the same point O. Okay, starts from the same point O. Okay, when when the rays OA and OB lie over each other. Okay, lie over each other means, see here, this is the ray, OA ray, and OB also I have put it lie over on the OA only, the same line. Okay, then there is no angle between OA and OB, right? If the OB is here like this, then there is an angle between the OA and OB. But here you can see OA and OB lie over each other. So the angle between them is 0 degree. Okay. So there is no angle between OA and OB. So the angle between them is 0 degree. In next case you can see OA, when the rays OA and OB form L shape. Here you can see OA ray, and OB when it moves on increases, the angle also it will increases. From 0 it will increases like 0, 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, like that it will increases. Okay. So when it will form the L shape, OA ray and OB ray, when it will form the L shape, that time the angle between them is 90 degree. Okay, that means this angle, right? This angle is 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree. So the third case is when when the ray OA and OB lie in a straight line, pointing the opposite directions. That means, see here, now the OB ray is here, right? From here again it moves on increasing. Well, it will move on increasing, and when it will become a straight line with the OA, but pointing in the opposite direction. Okay, so when OA, this is OA ray and OB ray lie on a straight line pointing the opposite direction, that time the angle is 180 degree. How? See, from here to here 90 degree, right? This one is 90 degree, this L shape. Again this L shape is also 90 degree only, right? So 90 plus 90, 180. Okay, so totally it will become 180. So when both the rays are in straight line pointing in opposite direction, the angle is 180 degree. And then here you can see when when the ray OB completes a full turn and lies on OA again. Okay, that means the OB ray, right? Actually OB ray, when it will just completes a full turn after pausing here, then again also it moves on increasing and it will reach here again. Okay, so full rotate, complete turn from here to here. Okay, so that one we called it as the angle 360 degree. How? This one is 180 degree, this straight line. Then again in down also similarly this straight line from here to here 180 degree. So 180 plus 180, 360. Or you can tell this is 90, 90, then again here 90, here 90. 90 plus 90, 180, 180 plus 90, 270, 270 plus 90, 360. So when it will take complete turn and lies on OA again, that time the angle is 360 degree. Okay. So these are the cases you have to remember now when the angle between them is 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree and 360 degree. Okay. So next one is types of angles. Okay. So based on the measurements, the sizes, we can name it differently, like complete angle, straight angle, right angle. So first one is complete angle. See here, when it will takes a complete turn, then the angle we called it as a complete angle. Okay, so when angle is 360 degree, we call that angle as complete angle. For example, in 12 o'clock means it will rotate like in clock. You can see at the 12 o'clock when it will take the complete turn, right? So we called it as a complete angle. Okay. See here the next one, when the angle is 180 degree, we call that as a straight angle. We know that when the angle will be 180 degree, when both rays are in straight line pointing in the opposite direction, that we called it as a straight angle. Okay, when the angle is 180 degree, so this angle we called it as a straight angle. And you can say in other words, you can compare the straight angle with the complete angle. Straight angle is 1 by 2 of complete angle, right? Because see, fully 360, in that half only it will be 180 degree, right? Half 180, half 180. So 1 by 2 of complete angle, that means like 1 by 2 multiplied by 360, right? When you will cancel it, you will get 180 degree. Okay, so straight angle is 180 degree. Okay. The third one is when both the rays form the L shape, then we called it as a right angle, right? So when the angle is 90 degree, we call that angle as right angle. Okay, right angle, you can say right angle is 1 by 4 of complete angle. That means this full is complete angle 360 degree. So in the 360 degree, this is 90, 90, 90, 90. 4 equal parts you can divide it, right? So you can see right angle is equal to 1 by 4 of complete angle. That means 1 by 4 of 360 degree. When you will cancel this, you will get 90 degree. 9 4s are 36, 0, 90 degree. Or you can compare right angle with straight angle also, because straight angle is 180 degree. In 180 degree, it is a half, right? This full is 180 degree, and that half will be 90 degree. So 1 by 2 of straight angle, that means 1 by 2 of straight angle is 180 degree. So 180 degree, 2 and 180, when you will cancel, it will become 90 degree. So right angle is 90 degree. Okay, so right angle is equal to 1 by 2 of straight angle or 1 by 4 of complete angle. And one more thing, when the two lines meet at right angles, if this is one line and this is one line, it meet at right angles means then these two lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so when there are any two lines, when it will meet at perpendicular, like meet at right angles 90°, then these two rays we called it as the, these two lines we called it as perpendicular to each other. Parallel line means it will be like this. This line is parallel to this line. When both horizontal lines are given or both vertical lines are given, this line is parallel to this line or this line is parallel to this line. But when it will make an right angle like this 90°, like this, then these lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so this one you have to remember. Then acute angle. Fourth one is acute angle. Acute angle means angle less than 90°. Okay, so see here, this is 0 to 90, right? So less than 90° means it will be like this. Here in this, whatever, maybe 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 60, 70, 80, all this thing comes under acute angle. Okay, so see here, OA is there and OB here I have put. In anywhere you can put in between. Only the rule is angle should be less than 90°. Okay, when the angle is less than 90°, then this angle we called it as the acute angle. Acute angle, it's like A shape, right? And you will see it's like A shape. Okay, it's like A shape, right? So A means acute angle. You can remember like this. Okay, so acute angle. Then fifth one you can see angle greater than 90°. See, this is 90°. Here it is 90°. Greater than 90° means 100, 110, 120, like greater than 90°, and also but less than a straight angle. Straight angle is what? 180°, right? Straight angle is 180°. So angle greater than 90°, less than 180°, that is in between 90 to 180, whatever angle will come, those angles we called it as the obtuse angle. Okay, so here you can see, this is the diagram I have shown here. OA ray is here and OB is between right angle and straight angle, right? So between that, angle greater than 90°, less than straight angle. So this angle, right, here from here to here, this angle we call it as a straight angle. Okay, and this one you can tell, in other words, obtuse angles or resting angles also we can say, because while you are taking rest, you will not fully will sleep also in a straight, or you will not sit at a 90° also. In between, like we will slant, right? Slanting position. So that one only resting angles, we can say it as resting angles. This is like sitting in a chair, for example. This one, when you lie in a bed in the straight line, you can take it as a straight angle. So you can take examples like that. And so students, these are obtuse angles. Okay, so complete angle, straight angle, right angle, 90°, and angle less than 90° is acute angle. Angle greater than 90° but less than straight angle is. Students, based on the concepts you have learned through this video, I have asked you some questions and you have to answer it in the comment box. Okay, so see here, on figure is given and you need to find what kind of angle it is. Either it is a acute angle or obtuse angle or straight angle or whatever may be, like AOD and COD and BOD. Okay, you find which one is which type of angle and you can put it in the comment box. And also which are resting angles, second questions. So which one we called it as a resting angles, either acute angle or obtuse angle or straight angle. Okay, so thank you students, keep learning. Okay, thank you.